The taste is awesome. Just really tasty. As you guys can see, all these are Chinook. Now let's see how we can find the Chinook. I mean the meat of this Chinook. Okay. This is the way. Okay, done. Okay, yeah. This is the fresh meat. Wow, it's juicy meat. I cannot eat it now. I have to cook this first, as you can see. It's very nice, and definitely this is gonna be very delicious, so we have to wait for that. গ্রামের সবচেয়ে কম দামে আইসক্রিম। If you just don't know how to cut all these Chinook, then definitely this is for you. এই যে মাঝের একটু জায়গা ছুরি দিয়ে জাস্ট একটু ঘষে নেবেন, দেন এই জায়গাটায় এই যে এটা একটু ঢুকায় দেবেন, দেন okay, this is done. এই যে হয়ে গেল। So this is very easy and very cool. It's not that tough. এটা ছুরি দিয়েও করা যায়, আবার হাতেও করা যায়। টান দিবেন, এই যে বের হয়ে গেল মাংস সহ। ঝিনুক খাওয়াটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি সবাই খেতে পারবে না। So if you don't like this video then skip this. সবার জন্য এটা না, and it's not that bad anything. এটা নদী একদম ব্রহ্মপুত্র নদ থেকে ধরে আনা আমাদের দেশি যে ঝিনুকগুলো হয়, সামুদ্রিক না, দেশি। So these are very tasty, very delicious, definitely. As you can see, these are the meats. Quite nice, but there are all the dirty things are here, so I have to clean all these perfectly, because without cleaning it's not possible eating all these or frying all these. So I have to clean first. Okay, so we have done it. We need this banana leaf, so let's go.
এটা কি বলতো?
So this is it, fresh banana leaf, and this is it. We have to cut something here. We have to cut first this onion. It's done perfectly. So we have cut, as you can see, we have cut our onions. So guys, as you can see, these all are our lemon trees, and I have to collect a couple of lemons. Okay, come here. Okay, here is a lemon. Okay, this is it. We can cut it. So okay, yeah, we perfectly have done it. So now let's go. I need the juice of lemons. Okay, these are our indigenous sour mangoes. Okay, these are tiny, not that big, and I have to cut all these. So let's start. So there are keys or alacrinia hajir. Okay, okay. Rakho ekhane rakho. Okay, Shabbos. Okay. Oh my God. This is called partner of mine. Okay. So here's the kid, and there are all the staffs. এই যে আমাদের order চলে আসছে. What's going on there? They're following Africans. Oh my God. All these are garlic, so let's slice all these. All these are sour mangoes, and I have to wash all these. Okay, we are done, and well, it looks so delicious. Okay, come on. Okay, so I have to slice all the mangoes now, and done. So now I have to wash all these again. Okay, so these are fresh, so nice looking. Definitely, you see, কত সুন্দরভাবে ক্লিন করা হয়েছে। So guys, this is the fire, and this is our fry pan, and here is a oil. So we're gonna start our cooking. Okay. Okay, there are lots of people here. Lots of keys. Oh my God, keys. Here's fan manager. And here is a selfie girl. Saradin selfie tole khali. No reason. Okay. What's your laguner daitto? He's helping to make fire. Here is all the mangoes. Chole asche amader. So we are gonna add now all the mangoes here. Okay. Perfect. It will definitely increase the taste. Actually, everyone just helping me, and this is like fun. We are making fun here. This is a garden, nice garden here. কি হইছে? বেশি বডি হয়ে গেছে? Okay, and guys, these are green chilies. We are gonna add some green chilies now. Okay, perfect. So these are the meats. We're gonna add this now. Okay, give me some salt. একটু লবণ দে। English কলে বুঝে না। Okay. Set করে দিচ্ছি. We are adding some salt. অয়ো হইছে। ওই যে এটার লবণ দিচ্ছি। Ooh, this is just nice smell as you can see. Oh, really? Definitely, guys, this is nice smell. Hey, তুই সবসময় আমার পিছনে থাকিস কে? Get lost from here. Get lost. Red chili powder and what? Turmeric powder. Okay. Good. The color has been changed already. You see. So, guys, this is done, and we are going. Hey, Jeb. Pull up and already get boy shaggers. So we are done here. So as you can see, all the kids, all the guys are here. We are eating. So first of all, with the mango. Oh my God! Really tasty. Oh, seriously. Okay. It's really tasty. And this is the garlic. Sorry, onion. Perfect. And there, as you can see, this is potato. The taste is awesome. So guys, we are done. Pull up and Kaya, oh my God, they're dancing. Okay. Moslada just awesome. Yeah. Perfect. Nice combination. No, I don't need any more. So spicy, tasty, and perfect. So, thanks for watching. Take love and bye bye.